Oh, Arthur! Arthur, come here, come here. Come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Pleased to meet you.
Well, ain't you just a tough-as-teak mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Well, I must say, you got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charmer. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey! There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it easy,
Are you about
pal.
to kiss that guy or
Take it
punch
easy.
him?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Come here, you. Let's just shoot these bastards. Oh, come on. We can handle these fools. You're one bastard.
You wish you never stepped foot in Valentine.
We'll show you, you sons of bitches. All right, boys, that's enough.
Come on, Arthur, hit someone.
What the hell's going on down here? No, Tommy, stay out of
Come
this.
here, you little greaser. You want to dust up? You gotta hit like a girl. You bum. I'll kill you, you son of a bitch.
He ain't getting up from that. Arthur, give Javier a hand over there.
Hey, tough guy.
You want some too, huh? Come on, pretty boy.
Pretty boy, you're kidding me. Pretty boy?
Now what?
I'll crack your damn skull open.
You can't be. You okay there, Arthur?
Yeah, I got this son of a bitch.
I said this'd be fun, didn't I?
Don't take that from him.
Yeah, you won't be so pretty with
Don't go easy on him.
Come on, I ain't even started.
Yeah.
Come on, Arthur. You got drinks with him.
Stop! Please! Please! I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about. Josiah Trelawney. The very same. Well,